Okay, this is your video on how to set up a landing page. We're going to talk about landing pages, and I'm just going to talk about squeeze pages. Okay, so let's do the first thing. You're on your dashboard right now. If you can't see that, thing, you need to hit the collapse, expand the collapse right here, and open it up, and go down to lead engine. Get to your lead engine. Okay? Now we're going to talk about landing pages. Now, what is a landing page? I'm going to show you what a landing page is. Just watch. Sit back and enjoy the ride for the landing page that I created for you. Okay? This is what a landing page is. It's a page that you send traffic to in order to get their email information or their cell phone information. So typically it's like getting Stoddard weekly deals, getting foreclosures, houses priced under 100K, whatever you want to put down, get the list now. And then that sets them up as a buyer, okay? Now look up here. I'm going to show you this right here real quick, okay? When we get done, if you entered all the information in under your agent bio, this will automatically share it. If you so choose, if you click on these, it will share it to your social media sites automatically. And I'm going to show you this, okay? So let's go off this and let's get back. I just wanted to show you what a landing page is, and then I'll show you in another video what a squeeze page is. So a landing page is a single page to capture information, okay? So let's get off that. Get off my smiley face. Landing page right here, okay? So you're going to click here, and it's going to say select a domain. You're going to click your eXp Realty domain, and you're going to click start building, okay? Great, we're here. This is what your landing page looks like. Now this is where you can configure it. So excuse me, let's start from the top left and work our way down. I use the lead generation. For this demonstration, you can click over here. There's a bunch of different things you can do. I haven't used all of them. I just used the lead gen ones, but I'm sure they're not difficult to set up once you know the operation of this one, so let's stick to that, okay? Here is the submit button text. Whatever you type in here is going to come here, right? Whatever you type here is going to come in right here. So, get the list. I don't change it. I leave it, get the list now. The URL after login. This is important, okay? So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna take them back to your KVCORE website once they get done. So I'm gonna show you how that works, okay? So you wanna put your website address in here for your main page or wherever you want to send them after they put in their information and they click the get the list now. You send them to this page, okay? Or you can send them to a page where you have already set up stuff, but this is a basic level training, okay? So now this is what your hashtags are. Now hold on for the hashtags, okay? So let's put your town real estate in here. I live in Stoddard. Stoddard, I'm gonna put a comma in there. WI real estate deals. You can click on these things and change this. If you don't want it, just double click it and it goes away. Once it goes away, it ain't coming back. Actually, no, I can't get it to come back. Oops, my bad. Hopefully I'm there, yep. So once you click on it, it's gone. I tried to go back on it, that was my fault. It cannot do that, okay? So you wanna be careful when you're thinking about it. Typically, I don't ever do that. I just change the top and I leave the rest the same. I don't really care what it says, okay? Let's go on to the hashtag. Okay, hashtags are really important for you. These are kind of like if you have recipes and you have index cards and you have little things on top for all your chicken recipes or for all your beef recipes or for all your Asian recipes. That's the index. So for this, I would put Stoddard, no space, buyers, okay? Because that's what I'm trying to get, is a Stoddard buyers list. And you can see I've done it before. Now when I go to email, do a mass email to everybody in Stoddard that I've collected information from, that I've gotten off of this, I can hit hashtag, I can hit all my hashtags up and email everybody that signed up for this list when something changes, okay? Really cool. Okay, as you see right down here, this is optional right now, the cell phone. But you can click right here to make it required. So they have to put in their email and their cell phone to get the list. Okay, that's cool. You can change the backgrounds. I don't really like the lady. I like the kitchen scene because I think it looks cool. So you can change the backgrounds. Okay, so let's say we have everything done. You're on lead gen. You like to get the list now. You have your URL sent back to your website or to whatever web page you want. You put your hashtag in there. You want to give them the phone number. You have the background you like. Everything looks good to you. You made the text the way you want it. You hit save. This is going to say, this is your last warning. This is your last warning. Okay, I'm good with that. Okay, I click OK. Here is your landing page. Oh, great. That's awesome. Now you see this where you can save that. If you input this information under your agent bio, which is in a previous one, all you have to do is click on Facebook and it'll post it to Facebook for you. Click on Twitter, post to Twitter. Click on LinkedIn, post to LinkedIn. Click on Pinterest, post to Pinterest. That is very powerful, people, okay? So now let's say you want to do a Craigslist lead ad, okay? You click on here and you copy this. Copy this code. Copy this, this URL. Now what you're going to want to do is open up your Excel spreadsheet or your numbers page and put this in here. And as you can see, I've already done one. So I use this as a test page. This is actually my squeeze pages, but I have one for landing pages, but I'm just going to do this for right now. So put this in here, and as you see, I put short code in there, okay? And then I put the purpose of it, and then I put the area. And why I did that like that is so I can sort by areas and different things for that, for myself. So you can set this up, and I highly recommend you put this on an Excel spreadsheet, or you'll be creating these pages every single day. And this way, I already have all this stuff. Now you want to get this short code, okay? So we want to take this web address that we just create a landing page for and make the code shorter because we want to put it on Craigslist and we don't want to have them cut and paste 8 miles long of stuff, okay? So what you're going to do is go on the internet and put URL shortcode, okay? Now for some reason, Google has been having an issue with it, so you're going to want to use this bit.ly site, okay? And you're going to click on that and you're going to paste your link right in there. Boom. Okay, here's your shortcode. Copy that, come back to your Excel spreadsheet, and paste it in there. Okay, now I'm going to show you what your actual squeeze page looks like. So there's your squeeze page. Boom, right there. Now they can share it if they would like to their Facebook site or whatever they want to. And then they put in their email, so I'm just going to put in my personal email. Don't email me on it. At gmail.com. And I'm going to put in my cell number, 608-385-3871. And I'm going to hit get the list now. Oops. Gmail, not Gale. Okay. All looks good. Get the list. Okay. So that directs them back to my main on your KVCORE platform. That's how you build a landing page and use it. In the next video, we're going to go through a squeeze page, and that's going to be a little bit more in depth because there's a few more things you have to do. But the landing pages are a good thing for you to start with, to upload them to your Facebook page, to your Instagram account, to anywhere that you want to really quickly if you went through like we did in the first or the second video, I think it was, on setting up your bio of inputting all that stuff in there. So thanks. I hope that was helpful to you. I'm sorry I'm getting a little hoarse, but I had to redo this video like 3 times or 4. I don't even know anymore, but you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.